Ladies and gentlemen, more and more clients are afraid of inflation. No wonder, since the ECB buys government bonds on a large scale, thus fueling money supply growth. Far too much money comes into circulation, especially since the corona crisis. Together with my colleagues Dr. Sorven and Bernd Weidensteiner, I looked what caused the great inflation of the 70s. We found out that the trigger was not the 1973 oil crisis. Rather, inflation in the US began to rise already in the middle of the 60s. At that time, the financial needs of the state were as high as they are today, because of the Vietnam War and because of the expansion of the welfare state under President Johnson. And similar to today, the US Central Bank financed a part of the budget deficits by purchasing government bonds. A third factor was also important back then: the labor market was tight. The expansionary fiscal and monetary policy met with a highly utilized economy. This is of course a toxic mix for inflation. Fortunately, because of Corona, capacity utilization of the Western economies is low today, unlike in the 60s. In the next 2 to 3 years, inflation is therefore likely to remain low. But thereafter, the inflation risk increased significantly. This is also due to a major demographic reversal. The share of working-age population in North America, Europe and Asia will fall significantly in the coming years. Thank you very much for your attention.